I'm going to make a spinning top for the grandchildren. This is a piece of cedar wood. It can be any wood, but cedar or maple is what I usually use. There's a top handle to the spinning top that you spin the top with your fingers, and the other end is tapered to a degree. At this point, I drill a small hole in the end of the top in which I insert a round nose nail and glue it in place, which helps the top give a better surface to ride when you spin it. Here I'm placing the tack, round nose tack, into the hole. I'm smoothing the top up, preparing for sanding. I sand it to approximately 220 to 400 grit. After completion of the sanding, I take Sharpies seem to work the best in various colors to do various color patterns, so each one of the grandchildren has a different color. I then separate the top from the piece of wood, and the remaining wood on the lathe can be used for a subsequent top if you're making greater than one.
Testing.
Then we take the top to a table, to the router table, and watch it spin.
Looks like I spun it.
And the grandchildren seem to be very impressed. They each have one.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's a good one. You might consider making it for your kids or the neighbor's kids.